fool's game. Join me. Nothing but a fool's game. Ah, there it is. You guys, I was pissed myself laughing. Cheers, you guys. Hi guys, I'm Lisa Chef Wannabe. Today we are going for a hike somewhere in Fort McMurray that we have never been to before. And we actually have a waterfall here, you guys. So Sean and I are gonna head to the waterfall. Okay, and we're gonna cook some bison burgers. And we haven't had much rain. So the waterfall might not be like, you know, spectacular, but I'm sure it'll be lovely.
There's not a lot of elevation in our area, but
yeah, and we kind of know where we're going. It's actually like, it's just downhill and just before the highway. Anyway,
let's see what we find.
Yeah, and so we're gonna give you guys like pretty good directions and stuff on how to get there. It is located in an area called Thickwood at the end of Timberline Drive. We're gonna be rappelling. Please stay tuned. The left side of Timberline, so there's the sign. Big drive somewhere. And we're heading right down to the very end of it. At the very bottom of Timberline Drive. No problem parking right here, no signs that say don't. Hi guys, this is the first time I've used a selfie stick. Hi guys. I just called Carrie, who did this hike about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And she's really close to us and she's gonna come here and she's gonna let us know which way to go. So yeah, that's awesome. So you guys will see her for a short little bit. Oh, and also Sean's setting up the drone. So we're gonna see how that goes today. Do you guys hear that? That's Sean. He's got the drone going. Oh my God, how exciting! Look who showed up to save the day. Hi.
It's that in front of that house.
Welcome to my selfie stick.
Hello, hello,
hello.
God, I have a chance to shower.
Oh, come on. Sean and I just came from the gym. We're stinking.
Oh, how was it?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
We are going to, God, look at this.
What?
It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Here is
here is the wooden house.
Yep.
This wooden house. So we're actually on the other side of Timberline.
Yeah.
So we were over there, you guys, but it's actually, it goes around, it turns around and comes this way. So it's on this side actually. So where you see these orange things sticking up out of the ground and across from a wooden house on the corner and a flat wooden house right beside it, this is where you go.
I would like to go into the house, just be like, can I just knock and see what your interior design looks like?
Yes, can I move in?
Just interesting look.
This must be the
Too far.
sewer. No!
I know,
This must be a sewer thing. Here's the open hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you're going to keep following all the way down. You're going to see a cute little snowman sign. Make sure you get a little selfie. A little snowman sign in there.
Oh.
Make sure you get a selfie with it.
Okay.
And then keep going all the way down to the left.
Left? Okay.
You're just gonna stay right on it. Keep going all the way to the left, and then you're gonna go into a trail. There's so many raspberries in there, and like they're awesome, big size. And then you're going to
oh, a good lighting.
So it's going to it's gonna go to a fork.
Okay.
You're gonna go right.
Okay.
And then it's not very much further into it, and then you're gonna see a rope.
Okay.
Walk to go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's on record. It's okay, it's on record, so she can just play back.
Battery's almost
And
dead.
on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Good luck! Thanks.
You're welcome. She's mad. It's recording.
Okay, here's Sean. Yay! Thanks for saving the day, Carrie.
You're welcome.
We totally would have been screwed.
I know, right? I wonder
we'd
where
have
you
been
would
walking around on that side.
I wonder where you came out.
It would have sucked. Like, I don't know.
Where's the waterfall?
Yeah, 2 hours later, we might be lost. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Well, bye for Carrie.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Carrie.
Bye.
Hey, you guys, we're heading down, and Sean has the drone going. It's back there. There it is. Okay. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see where we're going. Maybe we'll see some bear scat. If you don't know what bear scat is, it's bear poop. Poop, 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 and it's usually full of berries, especially like blueberries. Let's see what the drone does. It'll look at it and go,
The guy was saying it does crash.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, keep walking. I want to see what's going to happen. Oh, look at that. It went right over it. Keep going. Oh my God. How smart is that? So Sean has it, I think, to an 8-foot height or something like that, so it doesn't go any higher than 8 feet. But it did temporarily just to get over that tree, you guys. That is so sweet. Okay, let's keep going. Now I'm starting to wonder if people come here to slide in the winter. That would be so fun. Okay, so we're coming to the bottom here, and Carrie said it turns to the left. And there's the highway, you guys, right there. That's so funny. When we were going here, I said to Sean, you know, we could probably just park alongside of the highway instead of going up there and coming through the woods. It's so amazing. You know, you guys, I've been here for 40 years, just about 40 years. In 2023, it'll be 40 years that I've been in Fort McMurray, and did not know there was a waterfall here. Isn't that sad? It makes me so sad, you guys. Oh, there we go. Here we found some bear scat, you guys. Just so you know what bear scat looks like. See that? And there's berries in there. Definitely bears. All right, let's keep going. Makes me a bit nervous. I cannot deny that. Especially when the mamas have their babies. That's the worst part. If you see a baby, get the hell out of there. Go away. Here's some more. Oh God. Damn it. I feel like I'm on Survivor right now. Oh, so smart. Oh, it cuts grass. Okay, so we veered off to the right at the fork in the road, like Harry said. I like how people took the initiative to make this trail and like put trenches along the side. No, you guys, come on, it was vehicles driving through. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Oh, okay, so we have some water down there. So that probably is our waterfall, and I can actually hear it. Can you guys hear it? So they've got this roped off here for some reason. Too dangerous, I guess. So there we go. Okay, so here is the water. Oh, look where it comes from. It comes from the streets. The water comes from the streets.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah, did not know that. I am definitely not going for a swim. And then, keep it careful here. Here's the edge. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to get on the other side to see how it looks. That is really cool. This is really nice. I wonder how that went up over there. This is pretty cool. So we're going to go this way and see how we get down. Oh, so there's the rappelling rope that some wonderful person put in for everyone. It's actually not too bad. Cool.
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said, God damn! There's a waterfall in Fort McMurray. Who'd have thunk it?
Who'd have thunk it? So I made it, you guys. Just gotta head over towards Sean there now. Still a little bit
Just in
iffy.
case she falls.
Oh, yeah, he's gonna film me just in case I fall, because it'll be hilarious. Camera and everything flying. Ugh, makes me nervous, you know, going down hills now.
Oh.
I don't have my climbing legs anymore. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, wow.
I wouldn't recommend swimming in that because that's coming from the sewers up top. But it doesn't smell bad.
It's coming from the road sewers, is it?
Yeah, like the runoff.
The runoff,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not. I'm pretty sure it's not sewage.
Yeah. Cool. That is beautiful. I kind of wish that we were having more rain and stuff, so it would be even sweeter.
There we go. Look, the camera to the left. There we go.
That's so cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Hi.
Hi.
Feeling sweaty?
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the climb up.
I know, right?
After working out this morning.
I know. Holy crap. So Carrie said we should walk across, and over on the other side there's even more stuff to look at.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the stuff on there. Ferns? Is that ferns? That looks like ferns. Oh my God, how friggin' cool. Fort McMurray. Ferns. That's awesome. Right on a log. growing happily on a log. Okay, ooh, berries. Yum, 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 yum. Mushrooms. Don't eat the mushrooms unless you know what they are. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, so beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is cool. You want to go play in the quicksand?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Somebody tried to make a dam here for crossing, but I'm not crossing. Hi, guys. Well, let's get the show on the road. Bison burgers coming up. Portable stove that I also use in my studio. Hello. Shall we have some cookies and snack on?
Absolutely. Oh, you don't. Was the Newfoundland cookies?
These are the cookies right from Newfoundland, you guys, all the way to Fort McMurray. That's what, 4,000 kilometers? Something like that. Yeah. Here you go, you can have that. The rest of that.
Oh, insane.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So I want to show you this. So what it is you put something in there, and then you go like this. Oh, this one. Hey, can you get it on the camera? Nice.
Rain.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, I thought you fell in.
Almost. Wait a minute.
I think a bit of a fuel. I'd seriously think it's really low. Okay, you ready?
So, coming down the friggin' thing on the rope there, it's straining my hand.
Really?
Can you inside a bit?
A little bit. Tell me when.
Oh,
Am I in this?
yeah.
That's it?
Oh, shit.
Really?
Feels great. Oh, it hurt, but it feels good.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. But, take a string off this too when we're coming down the hill.
What are you telling
Can you
me for?
massage that?
No? That's why I'm fixing your hand.
Oh. I walked into that.
I think I'm out of heat. I won't be able to cook the burgers. Do you want some toasted bread? Well, crap on a cracker. Did I tell you I joined the hiking group here in Fort McMurray?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I haven't gone yet. But,
Did I tell you I joined a running group in Fort McMurray?
have you gone?
No.
We're so bad.
Ice is in there too.
Yay!
Everything's wet down here.
Everything. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers. Damn, that's good.
Oh my god. Michelob Ultra, you guys. So refreshing. What? What?
You'll see.
Oh, what'd you do? Did you go like this?
No. What's the opposite? What's it like where you get cold in your chest?
Heartache? Nothing but a heartache. Hit you when it's too late. Then he let you down. It's a fool's game. Join me.
I don't know
Nothing but a fool's game. Her name's Crystal Gale. You know her.
I know who Crystal Gale is, but I couldn't tell you what any
I
of
really
her songs.
don't. Yeah, I don't know if it's her song or not.